Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make stir-fry meat. Start by slicing meat thinly across the grain and marinating briefly in soy, ginger, and a splash of sesame oil. Heat a wok or skillet until very hot, add oil, cook meat in batches to avoid steaming, then remove. Stir-fry vegetables quickly, return meat, add sauce, and toss until glossy and just cooked through for best texture. Trim any excess fat and slice across the grain into thin strips about 1/4 inch thick to ensure tenderness. Marinate for at least 10 minutes in soy, rice wine, cornstarch, and a pinch of sugar to add flavor and create a glossy finish. Use high heat and cook in a single layer for quick searing, flipping once to develop brown crust and retain juiciness and texture. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy cooking and reading, consider the new Kindle Paperwhite for reading recipes anywhere with a glare-free screen and long battery life. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful guides. Check the description for the link and other deals. Pick up a Paperwhite to read in the kitchen or on the couch. Now let's get back to the video. Balance your sauce with equal parts soy and a little sugar, plus rice vinegar for brightness and cornstarch slurry to thicken. Pour sauce into the pan after vegetables are nearly tender, stirring constantly to coat and heat through, which prevents overcooking the meat. Finish with sesame oil and sliced green onions, then serve immediately over rice or noodles for best flavor and texture in every bite for guests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.